Faced with a surging student population, Arizona's Grand Canyon University, GCU, needed to expand its physical footprint and overhaul its ventilation system. The university needed an HVAC solution that would create healthier indoor air quality, maximize energy efficiency and cut costs, meet strict budgets and schedules. GCU partnered with MSA engineering consultants and Central Supply and Metal to address expansion hurdles, spatial constraints, infrastructure stress, complex airflow. To address these problems, GCU chose RenewAire energy recovery ventilators, ERVs. Unlike traditional HVAC systems that only expel exhaust air, RenewAire ERVs recover it. They capture both heat and humidity from indoor air and use it to condition the incoming outdoor air, thereby reusing otherwise wasted energy. This process reduces HVAC energy use and costs, decreases monthly operating expenses, generates yearly energy and cost savings. By using RenewAire ERVs, GCU increased ventilation, resulting in cleaner and healthier indoor air. This engineering success delivered 40% reduction in HVAC loads and annual energy costs, provided balanced air pressure with no cross-contamination for classrooms, total removal of odors, contaminants, and other pollutants in labs, saved space and cost by using the ceiling as a plenum, met project timeline with easy ERV install. What began as a challenge to improve IAQ and reduce GCU's environmental impact became a modern engineering success. Learn how to lower HVAC energy costs at your campus using ERVs by visiting renewaire.com/schools.